Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing an unboxing. So a few days ago I went to the store and picked up this beautiful lovely bag. So here it is. So basically I went online and there's an option there that this could be picked up at the store. So I did that. It's easier. So here's the box. They did wrap it nicely. So I am so excited for this one because I'm not looking for a large bag at the moment, because sometimes like with these large bags they tend to get heavy when you put your stuff, your essentials in there. But with this particular item, I mean, I've been seeing this one online, and this is also one of the most expensive purse from Coach. So I am gonna show you my latest Coach purchase. Oh, very nice. So this one was still in the packaging. I noticed that this is not the original packaging, so I guess this has already been rewrapped. But as long as, okay, let me open this. So this bag is actually called the Courier Carry All. Okay. So this is, oh wow, it's gorgeous. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Wow. I mean, I've actually seen this one in the store several times. And until now that I already have it, and then I get to appreciate how beautiful it is. And it is actually lightweight, guys. I mean, the size of this bag, this is actually on the larger side, and it's really light. I mean, well, right now it's light. I mean, there must still probably some stuffing inside. Let me just check. Oh, there's no stuffing. So here's the dust bag. There is no stuffing inside. And I think, okay. So this bag, the Courier bag, I think this is the largest size that they have at the moment. So when I went to the store, I also checked other stuff. And also this one, they're actually promoting this Courier Carry All, guys. And I believe that they come up with the new size, which is, they call it as a Carry All 23, which is a little bit smaller than this. It's actually really cute. I really like it because it's a little bit, I think that was the measurement for that one. Is the measurement for this one is actually, the length is 14 1/4 inches, and the Carry All 23 Courier is 9 inches. So it's a little bit smaller. And I tried it actually at the store, and it's very, very light. It is beautiful, very, very classy. And they come up with a beautiful pop of colors. This particular bag, it's a blue bag. It's a lighter blue bag, but this is not just like plain blue. It has a little bit of the burnish style on the corner right here, the darker side in here. As you can see right here, the burnish side, which is really, really nice. The burnishing around the corner makes this bag beautiful. So it has a little bit of like, no, not an ombre color, but more of like, yeah, the burnishing is really, really beautiful. And also, yes, my favorite part is the top handle, my most favorite. And the top handle also is made up of Glovetanned leather. So this bag is made up of this really soft Glovetanned leather all around it. So, yes, you see the logo right there. It's made of a genuine Glovetanned leather. Okay, This one has 4 beautiful feet, which I like to protect the delicate Glovetanned leather. This is so nice. Wow. Really, really nice. But I think that, let me just see. Okay. Okay, so this is the side of it. So you guys, if I'm going to tilt this bag, so did you see that? I mean, I don't know. I'm not sure about this opening right here. I mean, I love the style, love the design, but I'm just not sure how they style this one with the opening. So I'm not really a fan of this large opening in here, because I know that sometimes, like, you know, if you not necessarily drop your bag or you probably tilt your bag, I just don't really want my stuff to really just slide off my purse or just fell off my bag like that. But anyways, I mean, very nice structured. I love the fact that it is just like the style is very simple. There's no like really like striking, shouting like, oh wow, this is made up of this brand or that brand. This just stays very classic, very nice. That's what another thing that I like about this. That's why I'm considering of getting this bag. So let's open this. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so the lining on the flap is made up of a Glovetanned leather as well. Really soft. Wow, it's amazing. Okay, so this one, okay, this one has a zip closure. Very nice. Wow, I love the zip closure as well. Okay, and in the inside, so we have the strap. So the strap is also in blue. So let me see the strap. So the strap has a brass hardware. So the strap has a brass hardware, and also this is, of course, obviously it is removable and adjustable as well. Wow, very lovely. Going back to the bag itself, inside, okay, here's the pocket right here at the corner. So the pocket, it has a zip flap pocket at the back. Oh, the inside, actually, the inside is not leather. It's not a leather lining, only on the flap. So the inside has this, it looks like a microfiber lining though. It does looks like a microfiber lining. It's not like it has this suede texture. Very nice. So this one has a 1941 tag in it. 1941 tag. And I believe this is part of the originals, but majority of the 1941 originals has everything is made up of leather inside and out. But well, not really, because the Rambler also has this fabric lining though. So that's the inside. It has a very large opening, and it only has a pocket right here at the back. There's 2 pockets at the back and also right here in the front, which is, it has a weird closure though. This, did you guys actually see that closure there? It's actually a snap closure. I'm not really sure about the snap closure though. This bag is really well structured, very nice, very structured bag. And the good thing about this one is very light. So also the closure of this one, it has a snap closure. This is not magnetic, guys. Very nice, very classy. Yeah. Oh, the richness of color on this one is so amazing. I mean, This is actually originally $675, and I got it for 300 something dollars. I'm not even really sure about it. I could not even find my receipt. I was looking for it earlier, but this is 325 if I'm not mistaken. And also, yeah, just like that. I like that the closure is just like a snap closure, not this this particular thing. How do you call this one? This is actually a slide tab closure, and I like the fact that, you know, this one, yeah, this one is not like something that you could just slide in and out, because I didn't want this leather here to wear, because that's usually what it happens. So all you have to do to open this bag is just click the tab on the corner, open it, and then you could close it. Very nice. This is actually a really nice size for a work bag. Really, very nice. And the price point is just like, wow, I'm surprised. I'm really surprised. The back, I forgot. The back has this slip pocket right here, and it has this weird closure, guys. I don't know. I don't know. I mean, the snap closure is a little strange. Let me see if my phone, if I could fit my, oh, it's something here. Okay. Let me see if it could fit my phone. Yeah, I could fit my phone nicely. But, okay. And also, yeah, like this. Okay. So, I'm going to talk about a little bit on this this item. So, I just got this one brand new. Just so you know that the Glovetanned leather is prone for scratches. So, expect that this bag would definitely going to attract a lot more scratches, because right now I just put my phone at the back and it already has this large mark. Did you see the mark right there? I did that actually. I did that myself when I put the phone. So probably I'm not going to put my phone at the back for that reason. I do like to see those wrinkling on the bag, but the scratches is not, I'm not a fan of it, but that's the nature of the Glovetanned leather, because it's really soft and it's very delicate. So if you are considering getting this bag, so don't be so conscious, or don't be disappointed that you get this one brand new, you purchase it brand new, and you end up like already getting scratches or marks, because that's the nature of the Glovetanned leather. But then again, if you don't want to see those, you might probably want to consider getting another color, a different color. So they have it in black, which is you cannot see those marks or anything. It's okay probably, but I do like this color. I mean, the burnishing on this, right on the front, on the side, it's so elegant. Very classy bag, and very light. Very light. Knowing that this is on the larger side, very light, guys. Very light, and I love it. I mean, I am falling in love with this style. I am so surprised, because when the summer sales just started, this one was already on sale right away. So, but this one is not like 50% off. This one is a little bit more. And I just kind of ignored it. It's because I was like, it's so hard if you just check it online, look at it online without really going to the store. And so I went to the store probably like few months ago. I saw this one and I just kind of like, okay, this was already on sale on the store as well. And this one is already sold out online. I don't see this one online anymore. And and the good thing is this is on sale, $675, and I got it for $325. That's a great deal, and pretty much I'm very happy with it. Very happy. I mean, looking at the large stitching, guys. I mean, just at a quick glance at it, I didn't see any I mean, it looks like it's uniform. Very neat right here. Very, very neat. Just show you how neat those stitching. I mean, the beautiful craftsmanship of this bag makes it more elegant. The top handle itself, the structured bag, and the hardware, it's just like there's not a lot of like hardware that's really, really striking. And also that's the thing, another what I like about it, it's the brass. I love the brass. And yeah, I mean, it's you have an option to put this tag in here or not, but I'm probably not gonna do that because this hardware here could cause another issues with the scratching on the bag itself, because of course you were going to be opening and closing the bag that could rub into the leather. So yeah, overall, looking at it, it's gorgeous. Would I recommend it? Yes. Beautiful, elegant, and such a classy piece. Wow. I mean, I just can't get over looking at the stitching, guys. I mean, I am obsessed with the craftsmanship. Yeah, it's just my nature. I mean, each time I see a bag, I always appreciate its craftsmanship. And this, by far, look at that, the closure right there. And also, this one is also made of brass. Look at that, guys. Look at the burnishing style to it. It's so beautiful. Wow. Okay, that's it for today, guys. I am so happy that I got a hands on these and I was able to add this beautiful courier bag in my collection. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.